Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Well, I had a wonderful 4th of July. I spent it with family, watched fireworks, had a cookout, and visited with family and had a good time. Like I said, sorry I can't get out of collection again tonight because the time's running late and I want to get a video out for you. And like I said, I had a wonderful 4th and spent it with family and friends. Just had a wonderful time. How was your 4th? Hope you had a wonderful 4th. And most of all, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Not enjoying this hot weather, but doing pretty good. It's now getting hot again. It's currently 90 degrees. Tomorrow it's supposed to be hotter than what it was today. And don't like all of this hot weather. Don't like it at all. Not at all. Well, I've been staying cool today, sitting under the air, watching movies, and drinking plenty of water, cold soda, and just relaxing. Relaxing. It's about all you can do when it's hot outside. About all you can do. And most of all, at the end of each month, I'll show you a new item each and every month. It will be a new item. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And always remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.